In today's recipe, we'll make mango ice cream very easily at home by just using 2 ingredients. You will get soft and creamy ice cream without adding any preservatives. So, if you are watching my channel without subscribing, please do click the red subscribe button below the video and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So, let's start our today's recipe. So, the star of our recipe is mango. So you have to take 2 best ripe mangoes which you have. The more sweet your mango, the less sugar you need to add to your recipe. So select a very ripe mango which you have. Generally we store mango in freezer by cutting it in small cubes like this and sealing it in a airtight container or in zip pouch, so that you can consume fresh mangoes throughout the year. If you seal it in small pouches, you can always have it. So now what we have to do is we have to make pulp out of our mangoes. So I am cutting and slicing 2 mangoes and I'll make pulp out of these 2 mangoes. To make mango pulp, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and make a nice pulp out of it. So next step what we have to do is we have to freeze a small mixie jar in the freezer for at least 4 to 5 hours, and after that to this I will be adding vanilla extract, and to the mixie jar I will be adding cold 200 ml whipping cream. If you don't have whipping cream, you can use any whipping cream or heavy cream. Basically, you should have a fat content above 35%. That's the main thing which you have to see about the whipping cream. Whip this in cold mixie jar for 1 minute. You will get soft whipping cream like this. If you want stiff peaks in your whipping cream, whip it for another few seconds more. You will get a hard one, but for ice cream we need soft peaks. So I will be using the soft whipping cream. So let's transfer it to a clean bowl. Now if you don't have whipping cream at home, you can make your own whipping cream at home using wheat flour. I have a recipe, you can follow it. To make whipping cream at home, you need wheat flour, milk and sugar and butter. By using these ingredients, you can make soft whipping cream at home. So I'll put the link in the description box. To this whipping cream, you add half a tin of condensed milk. Adding condensed milk will make your ice cream soft and creamy. This gives a soft texture to your ice cream. Just combine the whipping cream and the condensed milk together very well. Once you feel they are mixed and combined very well, then to this we will be adding our mango pulp little by little, so that it doesn't form a lump when we mix it. Otherwise it's very difficult to mix the mango pulp to this cream and condensed milk. Add it little by little and mix it slowly. If you have a fresh homemade mango ice cream, you can always relish the taste of fresh mangoes in these ice cream. And make sure you mix everything nicely until a uniform paste is formed. So our mango pulp is completely mixed with our whipping cream and condensed milk mixture. So now before setting the cream, I'll show you how to make mango mousse. I'm adding this mango pulp with the condensed milk and whipping cream to a piping bag. If you don't have piping bag, you can add it directly to the glass jar in which you want to set your mango mousse. If you have kids at home, I'm sure they will not have patience to wait until your ice cream is completely set. So mango mousse will be helpful for you in that time. This is a very yummy mango mousse in which you need to refrigerate for almost around 1 hour, and after 1 hour you can release this mango mousse. So I'll add the remaining mixture in a container which has a proper good seal. So that we can close the lid and keep it in this freezer. Always be careful to keep the mousse in the fridge and ice cream in the freezer part, and refrigerate it for almost around 5 to 6 hours. I have refrigerated overnight. So I have made this in the evening and I have kept it in the fridge by closing it completely without even removing it in between to check if the ice cream is ready. So after keeping in the freezer overnight, we'll check it the next day. Meanwhile, this is the mango mousse. It's yummy and creamy. You can have it before your ice cream is ready. You can relish this. So next day, I just removed it out. It's cold and completely set. Before we try to scoop it out, I would like to tell you that you can keep this mango ice cream outside the fridge for around 5 to 10 minutes and then start scooping. Then you can see a soft, creamy texture like the shop bought one ice cream is formed in our home without using any additives and without using any preservatives. You can feel the freshness of the mangoes and the creamy texture of the condensed milk and whipping cream in this ice cream. In the summer holidays, when your kids like to eat ice cream, you can now make fresh creamy ice cream at home and serve your kids without even worrying if any additives are there, if a lot of sugar is there, if it's natural, or if any chemicals are there. You don't have to worry about all these things. You can easily make it at home by just using two magical ingredients, that's our whipping cream and condensed milk. If you want to prepare in more quantity, just double the ingredients. You can get more ice cream, but you have to keep it in the refrigerator overnight in the freezer section. So I hope you all like the mango mousse and the mango ice creams recipe. And if you have any doubt, please do write in the comment section. I'll be replying it to you. And if you like the recipe, hit the like button and share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. And Don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel still. Hope to meet you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye till we meet next time.